Today we got a video from Police Activity, and the title of the video is Officer Drags Woman from Car After She Refused a Ticket.
Hi there. I'm Corporal Morgan with the Hearst Police Department. Reason why you're getting stopped, you were just driving through a school zone going 40. It's a 25 through there. Do you have your driver's license proof of insurance with you today? Where y'all heading to this afternoon?
Home.
Coming from?
Why?
Just a question.
It's none of your business.
I'm sorry?
It's none of your business.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. It is.
Okay. Do you have your insurance?
I'm showing you that.
Any reason for the hurry this afternoon?
I wasn't in a hurry. I didn't even see a school zone.
Oh, there's a flashing signal as you were driving through, directly on the side of the roadway. Can I see your phone? That's good till March. Let me go check on your license. I'll be right back with you. Y'all just stay in the car for me.
Okay, so far so good. Sounds smooth. Yeah, all the extracurricular questions you don't have to answer. Oh, damn, what happened? That was quick.
Okay, Tanisha, you'll be receiving a citation today for the speed. I just need to get a signature from you. This is not an admission of guilt.
I'm not.
It's a promise. You're not going to sign it?
No, I'm not.
That's fine. I'll just put refuse. I need to get the VIN number on the car real quick. I'll enter that. I'll print you your copy and send you on your way.
Okay, all right.
Where's your registration sticker on the car?
I just bought this car, so I'm waiting for it.
Okay.
Any more questions?
I'm just asking.
Okay. I told
Do you have your bill of sale with the car then?
you. No, I don't.
Okay, you should probably carry that with you if you're not going to display your registration sticker.
Well, I wasn't told that, so you might need to get updated on the laws.
And this ain't gonna turn out well. I can see where it's going now. Oh, man. See, that's the thing. Like I was saying earlier, with all the the extra questions and all that stuff, you ain't gotta answer that. You know, where are you coming from? Where are you going? Like, you don't gotta answer all that. You know, all of that stuff is whatever. But, you know, your registration, if it's supposed to be in the window, it's supposed to be in the window. You know what I mean? It's certain things you don't have to be, you don't have to answer certain questions, but you also don't have to have a nasty attitude neither, because the cop can actually, he could push the issue on certain things if he really want to. You know what I'm saying? So it's I don't think the cop came off I don't think the cop came off rude, you know, from the get-go. And she's got a nasty attitude. I get it. You don't want to answer all the extra bullshit questions. You know, you don't have to, but you also don't have to be nasty about it neither. Gotta get updated on the laws. What the fuck? Okay, we gonna update you, all right? All right.
All right, give me just a second. Here's your copy of the citation. As far as the bills, you don't want to take it?
No.
Well, it's going to take it because it's your citation. That's your citation. That's littering. Step out of the car.
Don't
Yes,
do
ma'am.
that.
Yes, ma'am.
Off my
Step
car.
out.
I'm not stepping
Step out. I'm not doing.
Yes.
Step out.
I'm not touching.
Step out. Step out.
Don't touch
Step
me.
out.
Don't touch me.
Step it out.
I'm not stepping
Step
out
out.
of shit. Call
Step
your
out.
motherfucking supervisor.
I am the supervisor.
You're not the supervisor.
Yes, I am.
Call your
I am the
supervisor.
corporal.
A
Step out.
supervisor. I'm not
Step
stepping
out.
out of nothing. Get
Step
your
out.
fucking hand off me. Get your hand off me. Get your hand off me. I will step out when the supervisor.
I am
I'm
the
not stepping out of
supervisor.
nothing.
Ma'am.
Get your hand off me.
Tanisha.
Get your hand off
I'm not
me.
letting go.
You littered. You
I
dropped
am
the
not.
ticket, not me.
I put the ticket in the car
you dropped the
because
ticket,
that's your
not
copy.
me. You dropped the ticket, not me. Get your hands off me.
Take the ticket
you're
and
touching
go.
Me. Give me the ticket. You're touching me forcibly. You're holding me
Because
too tight, and you're being out of line.
you are resisting.
Y'all see this, right?
Sir, I'm sorry.
Stop.
Can she just get the ticket?
No, you stop.
Stop.
Why are you holding my arm like
Because
this?
I gave you the
Why?
ticket,
No, you
then
did
you
not.
proceeded
You
to throw
dropped
it.
the ticket.
I
not
put it in
me.
your.
See, and what's telling me is that she must have her kids or something like that in the car because the face is blurred, right? So I'm assuming that it's a minor, and this is how you're teaching your kids how you interact with law enforcement. This is why there's such a divide between civilians and law enforcement. This is why. You're being nasty to the cop from the get-go, from the jump. From the jump, you was being nasty to him. Why? Angry for no reason. You blew. He didn't just come out. The cop didn't just spawn out of nowhere. You the one that broke the law. You blowing through the stop sign, speeding through a school zone. Like, what the hell? Being nasty to the cop from the get-go for no reason, man. And now the kids is growing up. They're seeing this. This is what they're seeing. And so they're going to think that this is okay.
Car,
I told you I did
and
not
you
want it.
proceeded to throw it out of the car.
You dropped it. You're doing too much. I'm not afraid of you. Get your
That's
hand
fine,
off of
but
me.
I've asked you
You're
to step
holding
out of
me
the car.
forcibly for no reason.
Because you need to step
Get
out
your
of the
fucking
car.
hands off
Step
me.
out of the car.
No, what am I stepping out of the car
Is there
for?
anything I can do to get you to comply?
Look, Mom, he just said
To
take the ticket. and we
comply.
got-
You
he
threw
said
the
take
car out of the car.
No, I did not. You did that.
He said
You
take
threw
the
the
ticket
ticket at me.
I gave it to you so you
threw
could
the
leave,
ticket at
and then
me.
you grabbed it
Okay,
and threw it out.
give me the
It's on
ticket.
your phone video.
Give me the ticket.
It's no,
Give me the
we're
ticket.
past that.
Okay.
You're under arrest. Step
For
out of the
what?
car, littering.
Okay.
Step out of the car.
No, I'm not.
You're under arrest.
No, when the
Yes, ma'am.
when your colonel gets
No,
here,
we are
then
beyond
I will
that.
Step out.
Step
I'm not
out.
getting out of the car. I'm with
Step out.
I'm with my child, and I'm not
I
doing
understand
that.
you're with
Call
your child.
father right now.
Step out of the car.
I'm not.
See?
Step
Yeah.
out of the
I'll
car.
step out when another officer gets here. I'm not
Step
stepping
out.
I don't trust you. You're holding me too strong. And I
Because
don't trust you.
I don't trust
you. Don't
you to
have
not
to hold
leave.
me like I'm not going anywhere. Where am I going to go?
I will stop holding
I'm not
you if
gonna
you
go
step out of the
anywhere.
car.
I'm not stepping out of the car.
You need to
Call
step
your
out of the
colonel
car.
And I will get out of the car.
This is resisting
You're holding me.
arrest.
I'm not resisting arrest.
Because you're not
what am I
answering
under
my
arrest
order.
For? What am I
Littering.
under arrest for? I didn't litter.
You
did
threw the
that.
ticket out
no,
the
I did not.
window.
You did that. You did that. It's all on camera.
You're
so
correct.
when your colonel gets here, then I will step out. I have my child with me.
I am the
I'm not
corporal.
getting out of. You have a supervisor, okay?
I am the supervisor
so
on
when your
duty.
supervisor gets here,
He
then
is
I
not-
will step
I am
out
the
of the
highest
car.
ranking
Call
supervisor.
someone else
I don't
to
have
come
anyone
here.
else.
There is someone else.
Not right now.
There is someone
You
else.
need to
Let me
step
call
out of the car.
911.
Stop.
Get your
Stop.
phone.
Please, sir, stop.
Get out.
Wait, stop, Mom, chill out,
Get
Mom.
out.
Wait, stop, sir, please stop.
Stop. Get out.
Stop, please stop.
Stop.
Wait, stop.
Get out, man.
Stop, please stop.
Get out.
Wait, please stop.
Roll over. Roll over.
Good fucking job. Mother of the goddamn year.
How am I gonna go over?
Fuck.
Roll over to the left. Hold your hand
No
up.
reason acting like that in front of your children.
All you had to do is take the ticket and leave.
Nope. That's too simple for her to do, man.
Get my phone.
up. My feet, knees. There we go. Go into this car back here. Face the number 11. Right there. Spread your feet for me. No guns, drugs, knives on you, right? No guns, drugs, or knives on you.
Oh, she got a gun tattooed on her back. This is some low life shit here. This is terrible representation. Terrible, man. God.
Yes or no?
Do you know whether any guns, drugs, and knives on me?
He doesn't know, that's why he's asking. I don't know, that's why I asked you. It's a yes or no question. Keys in the back of my hand.
Get my phone.
Get in there.
This is unbelievable. Unfreaking believable. See, I gotta get my setup like this. How they be doing that? See, I do the thing at the end too, but I gotta get my shit like this, man. Whatever. Anyways, what did they say? Better thanks. Shout out to the Patreon. Oh, that's the Patreon members. Okay. Anyway, but yeah. See, because this channel, police activity, is actually demonetized. So, you know, that's why their body cam footage be so crazy. But they get a lot of support on Patreon, which helps them to continue to keep the channel going and stuff like that or whatever. But yeah, they're actually demonetized on YouTube. But yeah, so anyways, in case anybody cared to know that, but yeah, this was just pathetic. Absolutely pathetic, man. It's just, you got your kid with you, and you're acting like that in front of your child, being nasty to the officer for no reason. Like I said, there's certain questions you don't have to answer. License, registration, proof of insurance, cool. Boo, 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 here you go. All that extra stuff, where you going, where you headed to, all of that, you don't gotta answer all of that. You don't gotta answer all that. You know, all that, the extra stuff for no reason. Take the paper, go about your business. You know? Simple stuff. Nasty, man. I'm glad you made it to the end of the video. If you want to support the channel, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and hype the video. Those are all free things to do. If you're looking for some paid options, you can send a super thanks, a super sticker, or look in the description section where you will see links to our memberships, YouTube membership, and our Patreon. And I'm gonna catch you in the next video. Thanks for your support.